Imagine heading to Mars, but instead of just flying alone through space, you actually hitch a ride on an asteroid. It sounds wild, but this idea could make space travel safer. There are many asteroids that regularly travel between Earth, Venus, and Mars. These could be used as taxi as they provide radiation shielding for human missions to explore neighboring planets and maybe even easier for future astronauts. Here's why this might work. Once you leave Earth's magnetic field, there's no protection from intense solar radiation and cosmic rays. For a long trip to Mars, that's a serious problem. But with an asteroid, astronauts could dig just below the surface and use the rock as a natural shield against radiation. It's kind of like hiding in a cave during a storm. Now, not only does the asteroid help block radiation, it could offer other benefits too. And here's another interesting thing. Hitching a ride could also save fuel. By using the asteroid's own orbit, we might be able to conserve rocket fuel, making the mission lighter and cheaper. So, instead of constantly adjusting their course, astronauts would coast along with the asteroid's path toward Mars. Of course, there are still some big challenges, like how to attach safely to a fast-moving asteroid, or how to calculate exact path and its load-bearing capacity that would not affect its orbit. But if it definitely is doable, this idea could be a game changer for exploring Mars, Venus, and beyond. Imagine using asteroids as cosmic taxis and toolkits. It's an exciting idea that could make future space missions safer, cheaper, and more practical. So, what do you think? Could asteroids be our best option for getting to Mars? Subscribe for more interesting information. Let us know in the comments.